Everyone online is talking about dropshipping. Some people are claiming they are making thousands of dollars every single month, even while they sleep. You scroll TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and it looks like everyone has suddenly become rich from selling products online. But here is the real question nobody is answering honestly. Is dropshipping actually legit, or is it just another internet scam? Because let's be real for a second. If it was that easy, why isn't everyone rich already? And why do so many people start, try it for a few weeks, then quit completely? In this video, I'm going to break it down in the simplest way possible. No hype, no fake promises, no complicated business talk. You will understand exactly what dropshipping really is, how beginners are actually making money in 2026, why some people fail completely, and what you must do if you want to succeed long term. Whether you are in Ghana, the United States, the UK, India, Canada, or anywhere in the world, this model can work for you. But only if you understand how it really works behind the scenes and not just the surface-level explanation you see online. So let's break it down step by step. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is one of the simplest online business models in the world, but also one of the most misunderstood. And here is why it is so powerful. You sell products without owning inventory. Let me explain it in a very simple way. Normally, if you want to sell products, you need a shop or warehouse, bulk stock of products, money to buy inventory upfront, packaging systems, shipping systems, customer service setup, and sometimes even employees to manage everything. That means before you even make your first sale, you already need a lot of capital and risk. But with dropshipping, you remove all of that upfront pressure. Here is how it works. You create an online store. A customer visits your store. They see a product they like. They place an order and pay you. You then forward that order to a supplier. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You keep the profit difference between your price and the supplier's price. That is it. You never touch the product. You never store inventory. You never package anything. You never physically ship anything. You are simply acting as a digital middle layer between the customer and the supplier. Think of it like running a supermarket where you don't own the warehouse, don't handle the stock, but you control the storefront and the customers. This is why dropshipping attracts so many beginners, because it removes one of the biggest barriers in business, which is inventory cost. But removing barriers does not mean removing effort. It only changes the type of work you do. Simple real-life example. Let's break it down even more so you fully understand how the money flows. Imagine you find a trending product like a phone holder for cars, a portable blender, a posture correction device, a LED aesthetic room light, a mini projector, or a skincare tool that people love on TikTok. You go to a supplier website and see the product costs $10. Now instead of selling it at $10, you list it on your online store for $25. You then run ads or post content, and a customer sees your product and buys it for $25. Now here is what happens behind the scenes. You receive $25. You pay the supplier $10. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You keep $15 profit. Now let's zoom out and think bigger. If you repeat this process, 5 sales per day gives you $75 profit. 10 sales per day gives you $150 profit. 20 sales per day gives you $300 profit. 50 sales per day gives you $750 profit. 100 sales per day gives you $1,500 profit. And remember, this is just one product. You can test multiple products and scale the winning one. That is why dropshipping looks so powerful when it works. Because there is no physical limit to how many customers you can reach online. But this is also where reality becomes important. How people actually make money, reality explained. Now let's clear a big misunderstanding. Most beginners think dropshipping is just finding a product, uploading it to a website, and waiting for sales. But in 2026, that approach no longer works consistently. Dropshipping today is not just an online store. It is a marketing and attention business. Let me repeat that so you understand it clearly. Dropshipping is not about products. It is about attention. If nobody sees your product, you make no sales. If nobody trusts your content, you make no sales. If nobody is emotionally interested, you make no sales. So the real skill is not building a store. The real skill is getting attention and turning that attention into purchases. Successful dropshippers focus on three things. They find products that trigger emotion, curiosity, or urgency. They create short-form content that grabs attention in the first 3 seconds. They use storytelling and psychology to convert viewers into buyers. For example, instead of selling a normal water bottle, they sell a smart bottle that tracks hydration levels and glows in different colors. Instead of selling a normal pillow, they sell a posture correction pillow that reduces neck pain. Instead of selling a normal lamp, they sell a room aesthetic LED light that transforms mood instantly. The product itself is not what sells. The feeling and transformation it represents is what sells. Why marketing is everything. In dropshipping, marketing is not optional. Marketing is the entire business. Without marketing, your store is invisible. There are two main ways people get traffic: paid advertising and organic content. Paid advertising includes TikTok ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads. This allows you to test products quickly, get fast data, and scale winning products faster, but it also requires budget and testing skills. Organic content includes posting short videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. This method is free but requires consistency, creativity, and patience. In 2026, many beginners are starting with organic content because platforms like TikTok can push content to millions of people without spending money. One viral video can bring more traffic than a paid ad campaign if the product and storytelling are strong. But consistency is key. Most viral results come after multiple attempts. Reality of failures, important section. Let's talk honestly. Most beginners fail in dropshipping. Not because dropshipping does not work, but because they misunderstand how it works. Here are the real reasons people fail. They pick boring products that nobody cares about. They copy others without understanding strategy. They expect instant results within a few days. They give up after losing money on ads. They do not understand how marketing psychology works. And most importantly, they treat it like luck instead of a skill. But successful people approach it differently. They test multiple products. They learn from every failure. They improve their ads over time. They understand customer psychology. They stay consistent long enough to find a winning product. Failure is not the opposite of success in dropshipping. Failure is part of the process. Step-by-step beginner guide, detailed version. Now let's go deeper into exactly how to start. Step 1 is finding a winning product. A winning product is something that solves a problem, triggers emotion, looks visually interesting in short videos, and creates curiosity. You can find these products on TikTok Creative Center, Amazon Bestsellers, AliExpress Trending section, or Facebook Ads Library. You are looking for products that make people stop scrolling. Step 2 is building your online store. Use Shopify or WooCommerce. Keep it simple and focused. At the beginning, do not overload your store with many products. Add high-quality images, simple descriptions, trust signals, and customer reviews. Your goal is not to confuse visitors. Your goal is to make buying easy. Step 3 is finding a supplier. A supplier handles shipping and product delivery. You can use AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, or private agents. The most important factors are fast delivery, consistent quality, and good communication. A bad supplier can destroy your business even if your marketing is good. Step 4 is marketing. This is the most important stage. You either run ads or create organic content. Your goal is simple: stop the scroll and create curiosity. Good dropshipping ads are not sleazy. They feel like real-life moments or problem-solving stories. Step 5 is scaling. Once a product starts working, do not change it too fast. Increase ad spend gradually, improve video creatives, test new angles, expand to new audiences. Scaling is where real profit happens. Why dropshipping works globally? Dropshipping works globally because it is powered by the internet. There are no borders. You can live in Ghana and sell to the United States. You can live in Africa and sell to Europe. You can live anywhere and reach global customers. The system works because of global supply chains, online payment systems, social media platforms, digital advertising networks. This means your location does not limit you anymore. Your skill determines your success. Pro tips: what separates winners? Focus on one product at a time. Treat ads as experiments, not guarantees. Learn short-form video content deeply. Stay consistent even when results are slow. Reinvest profits instead of withdrawing everything. Think long-term, not short-term. Most winners in dropshipping are not lucky. They are consistent testers. Final warning, real talk. Let's be very clear. Dropshipping is not a shortcut to wealth. It is not guaranteed income. It is not a magic system. It is a real business model that requires learning, patience, and execution. If you treat it like a real business, you can succeed. If you treat it like gambling, you will lose money. So now you understand what dropshipping really is. No confusion, no fake hype, just the real breakdown. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe because I will be showing you how to find winning products, build profitable stores, and create ads that actually convert step by step. And if you want to see the exact products beginners are using right now to make their first sales, then watch the next video because that is where everything begins. This is Money Growth News. Stay informed, stay ahead.